Welcome to my humble kitchen. My name is Jo. So for today's vlog, guys, I'm going to show you how I fry sunny side up eggs without sticking to your pan using our Saladmaster Gourmet Skillet. This is a 10-inch or 25.4 centimeter skillet or gourmet skillet. This amazing 10-inch or 25.4 centimeter gourmet skillet is perfect for a single or two persons or even to a smaller family. And this is ideal for sauteing mushrooms, flipping omelettes, or frying sunny side up eggs. And it is also ideal for creating crepes or lumpia wrapper. So now to start with, we have to preheat our skillet at medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes. And what I like about this Saladmaster skillet or any other Saladmaster cookware is that these handles can easily remove or assemble. So if you don't use your pan, you can easily remove the handles. Now time's up. Let's check if our skillet is now ready to use. Now we know that our pan or our skillet is ready to use once we splash water and water dance like pulse. It means that it is ready to use. So let us fry the first egg. So you see, it has no oil, no water, just an egg and the skillet. So now we have to close the lid and set to the lowest temperature. And for this one, we have to set the time to 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Now time's up. Let's check for our first egg. Look at that. So here we have to be careful. So it is important that you have a good flipper. The edges are sharp, so you could easily flip or remove the egg without damaging the top. So that is our first experiment. It's perfect, without oil, without water. Beautiful. And our pan, just a little bit of egg skin. Now for the second egg, we have to repeat the process by preheating our skillet and check if it is ready to use by splashing water, and once the water dance like pearls, it means that it's ready to use. Now for our second egg, we are going to fry this differently. We have to close the lid and pour some water. Okay, I got this tip from McDonald's. You know that I have been working at McDonald's for more than 10 years already, and I work at the kitchen sometimes. I fry eggs and we do this kind of frying egg. So I thought of sharing this tip with you guys. And just open a little bit and close again. and then set to the lowest temperature. Always start at the medium heat, and once the lid is closed, then we have to set to the lowest temperature and set the timer for 3 minutes. Now time is up. Let's check for our second egg. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that beautiful egg. The first layer of the egg skin is also cooked. So we have to be careful in removing our egg. Look at this, guys. Beautiful egg with water at the top of the lid. And look at the difference. So this is the first one and the second egg we've fried so far. And now for our final egg, I'd like to share with you again, guys, this portion because I love this part of my video. You know, when we splash water and once the water dance like bubbles, it means that our skillet or our pan is now ready to use. So for the third egg, we are going to use rapeseed oil spray, and this oil can handle high temperature. So there you go. We are going to spray our skillet for just small amount of oil. So for our last egg or final egg, I season this with Italian herbs with salt, and then just close the lid and set your cooking range to the lowest temperature and set the timer for 3 minutes. So guys, if you have other Saladmaster cookware, you can also use it like electric skillet or a griddle pan. You can also fry eggs using your griddle pan or your skillet without sticking. Just follow the rule, you know, preheat your skillet or your pan, and do the test if it is ready to use by splashing water and water dance like balls. So here you see the difference. This is the second one and the first egg that we fry. So if you're interested in Saladmaster, I am here to guide you guys because I am a consultant of Saladmaster here in Germany. So let us check our third or final egg. So look at this, guys. So beautiful. So here it is easier for us to flip the egg because it has oil. We use the rapeseed oil, so it is not difficult to remove from the pan or from the skillet. So that's it, guys. Beautiful, delicious, perfect. So take a look one more time. The final outcome of our eggs, fried in 3 versions, with oil, without oil, and water. That's it. And look at our pan, it's clean, no more residues. And this is now our final sunny side up fried egg. So you know guys, I've been working in the food industry, so food is more delicious, more appetizing if it is decorated with some leafy vegetables, tomatoes, cucumber, or some green leafy vegetables. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. So if you are interested in investing in Saladmaster, contact your nearest dealer, or if you want to know more about the product, just contact me, PM me to my FB page, because I am one of the consultants here in Germany, and we do online presentation. So guys, I hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next videos. Bye!